Unit 10. Our Green Day. Listening 10. Read and listen.
Saturday was River Day. There were lots of people at the river. In the morning, the river was dirty. The water was dirty. There was lots of rubbish on the grass and in the trees. Class 2B's first job was picking up rubbish on the grass. There were lots of children. It was fun. Class 2B's second job was picking up rubbish in the river. It was very muddy. In the evening, the grass was tidy. There wasn't any rubbish. The river was clean. Everything was clean. But Class 2B wasn't.